Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to John's Custom Garage. So, another update, guys. I've just completed drilling the fender and mounting both the turn signal lights for this Bokspod project, as well as mounted the backlight for this Bokspod. So, let me just show you the close-up view. It's actually a bullet turn signal light that I have mounted at the back. So and this is the backlight. Then another turn signal the other end. So that's it, guys. Just another update. So please stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share. Okay, thank you, guys.